Welcome to today's class. Today we will discuss about star to delta and delta to star conversions in network theory subject. So here I have drawn a star circuit here with impedances Z1, Z2, Z3. These are the known values. The dotted ones are the unknown values. These are like ZA, ZB, ZC. Okay, so now you have to find out ZA, ZB, ZC. These star to delta and delta to star conversions are used to simplify the circuits. Okay, so now we will simplify this star into delta. So first we will see what will be the formula. We have to find out ZA. We will start with ZA. So first you have to know the formula to convert from star to delta. This formula is Z1 into Z2 plus Z2 into Z3 plus Z3 into Z1 divided by, you have to see which resistor is not connected to this. So which impedance is not connected to ZA? So Z1 is connected and Z2 is connected. So Z3 is not connected. So you can write Z3. Suppose if you want to find out ZB, so you can automatically write the equation Z1 into Z2 plus Z2 into Z3 plus Z3 into Z1 divided by, so for ZB which is not connected, Z2 is connected over here and Z3 is connected over here. So which is not connected? Z1. Okay, now you have to find out ZC. So again the same formula, Z1 into Z2 plus Z2 into Z3 plus Z3 into Z1 divided by, you can write like this. So how you can write? Which is not connected? ZC. So for ZC, Z1 is connected and Z3 is connected. The opposite one is Z2. So you can write like divided by Z2. So this is star to delta conversion. So now we will discuss about delta to star connection. So now how we can convert a delta to star connection? We have to draw the delta first. Okay, so this will be the given delta circuit. So these are the known values ZA, ZB, ZC. So you have to see the unknown values. Unknown values are star values. Z1, Z2, Z3. So now the formula for this is, suppose if you want to find out Z1, so first you have to see which are connected to Z1. Here we will see the denominator which is not connected. Here we see the numerator which is connected to Z1. For Z1 which is connected, this ZA and ZC are connected. So ZA into ZC divided by ZA plus ZB plus ZC. So here the denominator is same, here the numerator is same. That you have to understand. So in star to delta conversion, numerator is same. In delta to star, the denominator is same. Suppose if you want to convert into Z2, so how you can convert into Z2? So you have to see the connected ones. So ZA and ZB are connected. So ZA into ZB by ZA plus ZB plus ZC. Okay, so you have to find out Z3. Then Z3 which is connected, ZB and ZC are connected. ZB and ZC by ZA plus ZB plus ZC. Okay, this is very simple. So you can convert like this from star to delta and delta to star. in the circuits. So if you convert like this, then you can easily find out the simplification of the circuit. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel.